Learn English with Titanic movie. Dive into tenses with Titanic. Simple present tense with timeline. Simple present tense. Timeline 1. For habits or routines or repeated actions. The action happens often in the past, now, and in the future. For a clearer understanding, pause the video and look at the timeline below. Timeline 2. For facts or general truths. The general truth is always present and ongoing throughout time. For a clearer understanding, pause the video and look at the timeline below. Titanic examples. The Titanic is a very big ship. It's a fact, always true. Rose sometimes feels unhappy with her life. It's a feeling that happens sometimes. The story of the Titanic teaches us many lessons. It's a general truth. The ocean is very deep and cold. It's a general truth. The ship's band always plays music during dinner. This was their routine or habit on the ship. Like, comment and subscribe.